Kill Team. Let's have a look at the facts. Kill Team will be released in July, and since we already know that July 14th will be the release date for Nagaroth Nightmares for Blood Bowl and the new Shadespire board and cards, we can expect Kill Team to come out on the 28th, with pre-release on the 21st. Kill Team will be played on a board/map with short and long edges. Whether this is 4x6 or something else, we still don't know. Rogue Trader will be an expansion for Kill Team. Release late 2018, I'm guessing November, right in time for Christmas. There will be at least 6 different kill zones. Sector Imperialis, Sector Mechanicus, Deathworld, Sector Monitorum, and 2 different boards for the Rogue Trader expansion. One looks like a spaceship with loose doors and walls, almost Necromunda style. The other looks like a swarm featuring a riser pattern ruined in the back. The spaceship board and terrain could be a separate game mode. The board looks more board gamey, and the terrain is more suggestive, again just like Necromunda. The first Kill Team release will probably mirror the Shadow War Armageddon release, 2 factions and loads of terrain. The factions will be Genestealer Cult and probably Adeptus Mechanicus. The terrain will be a new Sector Imperialis terrain line. The height of these runes will make them usable for line of sight blocking even in 40k battles featuring knights. And the height of the windows means that even the smaller pieces will give regular troops cover. The core set will most likely include a board. Whether the other kill zones will be expansions with miniatures, new boards and even terrain, just like the Rogue Trader expansion, we still don't know. What we do know is that you can play Adeptus Mechanicus, Genestealer Cult, Death Guard, Chaos Space Marines, Space Wolves, Dark Elder, Tau, Necrons, Grey Knights and Orcs. Imperial Knight and Adeptus Custodes players are crossing their fingers. Kill Team will be fully supported, and even though command points, kill points and skills will be part of the rules will be something new that has nothing to do with the existing game systems. That's it for now. This has been Mother Nurgle. Have a nice day.